Welcome. Today we will be exploring manifestation, a process that goes beyond mere wishful thinking to involve a deep alignment of thought, emotion, and action towards realizing your deepest desires. Manifestation isn't magic. It's a methodical approach to achieving your goals and actualizing your dreams into your lived reality. This video will guide you through understanding how manifestation works and the essential steps to make it work for you. Part 1. Understanding manifestation. At its core, manifestation is about clarity, focus, and aligning your internal energy with the external world to bring about a desired outcome. It's based on the principle that your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality, a concept echoed in various philosophical and spiritual traditions around the world. The law of attraction. Central to the process of manifestation is the law of attraction, a universal principle suggesting that like attracts like. Positive thoughts are believed to attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts may lead to undesirable results. This law underscores the importance of cultivating a positive mindset and a clear vision of what you wish to achieve. Clarity of vision. The first step in manifestation is having a crystal clear vision of your goal. This specificity helps to focus your thoughts and energy on the exact outcome you desire. Visualization techniques can be powerful here, allowing you to create a vivid mental image of your goal as if it's already achieved, engaging all your senses to make the experience as real as possible in your mind's eye. Emotional alignment. Your emotional state plays a crucial role in manifestation. Emotions are the language of the universe, and feeling the joy, gratitude, or peace associated with your desired outcome as if it has already occurred helps to attract that reality. This emotional alignment amplifies the power of your intentions, sending a clear signal to the universe about your desires. Affirmations and beliefs. Affirmations are positive statements that help reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. By regularly affirming these beliefs, you can reprogram any limiting beliefs that may hinder your manifestation process. It's essential to cultivate a belief system that supports your goals and to maintain faith in the process, even when faced with challenges. Taking aligned action. Manifestation is not just about thinking and feeling, but also about taking concrete steps towards your goal. Aligned action means taking steps that move you closer to your desired outcome, guided by intuition and inspired by your clear vision. These actions signal your commitment to making your dream a reality and work synergistically with your thoughts and emotions to bring about the manifestation. Patience and persistence. Manifestation requires time and persistence. It's important to maintain focus on your goal, continually aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. Patience is key, as the timing of your manifestation may not always align with your initial expectations. Trusting the process and remaining open to the journey is essential. Gratitude and release. Cultivating gratitude for what you already have and for what is yet to come is a powerful aspect of manifestation. Gratitude elevates your vibration, attracting more positive experiences into your life. Additionally, releasing your attachment to the outcome allows the universe to work in the most appropriate ways to bring your desire to fruition, often in ways better than you might have imagined. Part 2. Practical steps for effective manifestation. Effective manifestation is a dynamic interplay of vision, emotion, belief, and action. By employing practical techniques such as creating a vision board, journaling, meditating, taking aligned actions, practicing affirmations, cultivating gratitude, networking, and learning from setbacks, you can enhance your ability to manifest your desires. These practices support a holistic approach to manifestation, addressing both the inner work of aligning your thoughts and emotions and the outer work of taking concrete steps towards your goals. Creating a vision board. A vision board is a tangible representation of your goals and desires, featuring images, words, and symbols that resonate with your aspirations. It serves as a daily visual reminder of what you're working towards, keeping your dreams vivid in your mind and helping to focus your thoughts and energies on your goals. Place your vision board somewhere you can see it every day to reinforce your intentions and maintain alignment with your goals. Journaling for clarity and insight. Journaling is a powerful tool for manifestation, allowing you to clarify your desires, reflect on your progress, and maintain an ongoing dialogue with your subconscious mind. Regularly write about your goals, the steps you're taking towards them, and the feelings you associate with your desired outcomes. This practice can help you uncover hidden beliefs and barriers, enhancing your self-awareness and emotional alignment. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation helps quiet the mind, connect with your inner self, and foster a state of peace and receptivity. It allows you to focus on your manifestation goals without the distraction of everyday thoughts and stresses. Mindfulness, the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, can enhance your ability to notice and appreciate the signs and opportunities that align with your goals. Aligned action planning. While manifesting involves aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome, taking concrete steps towards your goal is crucial. Break down your goal into actionable steps and plan regular actions that move you closer to your vision. These actions should feel inspired and in harmony with your overall purpose, rather than forced or incongruent with your desires. Affirmations and positive thinking. Affirmations are positive, empowering statements that can help you focus on your goals and maintain a positive outlook. Repeat affirmations daily to reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Positive thinking supports the law of attraction by attracting circumstances and opportunities that align with your positive mindset. Cultivating gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive cycle of abundance. Regularly express gratitude for your current blessings and for the manifestations that are on their way. This practice raises your vibration and attracts more positive experiences into your life. Networking and community. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community or network that shares your aspirations or embodies the success you seek can accelerate your manifestation process. These connections can offer inspiration, guidance, and opportunities that align with your goals. Engaging in communities that resonate with your aspirations helps reinforce your commitment and belief in your ability to manifest. Learning from setbacks. View setbacks not as failures, but as learning opportunities and stepping stones towards your goal. Each challenge offers valuable insights and lessons that can refine your approach and strengthen your resolve. Embrace the journey, including the obstacles, as part of the manifestation process. Part 3. Advanced manifestation techniques and overcoming obstacles. Visualization is not just about seeing your goal, it's about fully immersing yourself in the experience of having achieved it. Engage all your senses in your visualization practice. What does achieving your goal look like? What sounds accompany this success? How does it feel physically and emotionally? The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the more powerful its impact on your subconscious mind, helping to align your internal state with your external goals. The role of detachment. While it may seem counterintuitive, detachment is a crucial aspect of manifestation. This doesn't mean giving up on your goals, but rather releasing your attachment to the outcome and the path it must take to come to fruition. Trust in the process and understand that there may be many ways to achieve your desired result, some of which you haven't considered. Detachment allows for flexibility and openness to the universe's plan, reducing resistance and making the manifestation process more fluid. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are one of the biggest obstacles in the manifestation process. These are deep-seated beliefs that can sabotage your efforts, often without your conscious awareness. To overcome these, first identify your limiting beliefs by observing your patterns of thought and behavior. Once identified, challenge and reframe these beliefs. Techniques such as affirmations, journaling, and cognitive behavioral strategies can be effective in transforming limiting beliefs into empowering ones. The power of patience and timing. Manifestation often requires patience and an understanding that everything has its timing. Trust that your desires will manifest at the right time and in the right way. Cultivating patience can be challenging, but it's essential for maintaining a positive mindset and keeping faith in the process. Remember, the universe's timing often brings about outcomes even better than we could have planned. Incorporating mind-body practices. Mind-body practices such as yoga, tai chi, and qigong can enhance your manifestation efforts by aligning your physical energy with your mental and emotional intentions. These practices help to balance and harmonize your energy, making it easier to maintain a positive mindset and stay aligned with your goals. The importance of self-care. Self-care is crucial in the manifestation process. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being creates a strong foundation for your manifestation efforts. When you're in a healthy and positive state, you're more capable of focusing your energy and intentions effectively, seeking support and guidance. Don't hesitate to seek support and guidance on your manifestation journey. Whether it's from mentors, coaches, or like-minded communities, external support can provide encouragement, accountability, and insights that enhance your manifestation efforts. Sharing your goals and experiences can also magnify your intentions, drawing additional energy and support to your endeavors. Staying open to signs and opportunities. Finally, stay open and attentive to signs and opportunities that the universe sends your way. These may come in unexpected forms and from unexpected directions. Being open and flexible allows you to recognize and seize these opportunities, guiding you closer to your desired outcomes. Concluding the video with a few important points. Manifestation is a multifaceted process that combines deep internal work with actionable steps towards achieving your goals. By mastering advanced techniques, overcoming obstacles, and maintaining a balanced and open approach, you can enhance your ability to manifest your desires. Remember, the journey of manifestation is as much about personal growth and discovery as it is about achieving specific outcomes. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your vision, and trust in the universe's ability to bring your desires to life in the most beneficial way.